Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to make unfavorite photo on Google Photos for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First of all, we go to the Google Photos that you have been to install it before. Click on the Google Photos. And after that you can click the sharing in the below. There is a hub for the choice photos, search, sharing, and library. Okay, you can click the library, and after that you go to the favorites in the upper of the left corner. Click on the favorites, and now you can tap the photos that you want to be unfavorite photos. Click on. And how to do it, how to make the unfavorite, you just to make the star here is have a note about the white again. Okay, and now your favorite is enough. And I think it's enough about the how to unfavorite photos on Google Photos for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.